So, by now, I have launched my website. I am in Malta. That hard work paid off. And now I've launched the website and I am in Malta. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Alright, bye. My lavender body butter only had lavender in it, but I researched what other essential oils go well with it, and I came up with these 6 variations. They were lavender and bergamot, lavender and citronella, lavender and orange, lavender, bergamot, citronella, lavender, bergamot and orange, and lavender, orange, and citronella. I then wrote the combinations on this A4 sheet and cut them into little pieces. Starting off with the first blend of lavender and orange. So I definitely think lavender and orange are not complementary of each other. I'm getting a whiff again. Yeah, I don't think this combination works. So now let's try live orange and citronella. Just give it a smell. Yeah, I'm not really feeling that either. It smells a bit bland. I'm gonna take another sniff. Yeah, a bit bland. Not really invoking my senses. So I'm gonna write this one off as bland. Not invoking my senses. So the last one is lavender, bergamot, and orange. If I'm honest, I don't think it's gonna be a hit, but let's see. I'm just taking a whiff now, and it's not too bad. I don't think you get much difference adding 3 essential oils, but it's not too bad. Well, I'm just gonna write this as not too bad. And is it worth adding 3 EOs? So wow, this was definitely a messy experiment. Although I'm sure there are ways to do this neater, I just thought, let me just get this done and over with, because I've been saying I want to do this for a while now, and I had some spare time today, so let me just do it. I would definitely recommend, if you're going to do this, to use like a thicker paper, maybe like a cardboard paper, but like I said, I just had this paper here and thought, let me just get this done and over with. Definitely use it on a worktop that you don't care for, because it is going to stain, and it's definitely going to stain this black sort of tablecloth I have, but I don't mind because I use this for like experiments like this. I guess I'll let you guys know the winning scent combo when I release these body butters. You know what, guys? My whole place smells like essential oils because of what I just did. I don't think I need a diffuser. All I need to do is do tests of essential oils and then my whole place is gonna smell like it, because that's what it smells of right now. I like it though. I really do like it. Let me show you guys actually the first prototype of my body butter that I want to be selling on my birthday, hopefully. I'm not going to tell you guys what day my birthday is in case I don't launch the website on that day. But fingers crossed, God willing, I will, hopefully. It is. So I actually feel like I designed this like about 2-3 weeks ago now, and I do like it. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a few more changes. Here it is, by the way. Hopefully that's in focus. It says B-Day edition because obviously I want to launch this on my birthday, and essentials. And this is the cocoa vanilla. So those of you guys that remember when I was selling, so I keep looking that way because I have construction outside and they are building apartments and they're on the same level as me and they can see me. It's kind of freaky. So yeah, anywho, this is the body butter. It's cocoa vanilla. I can't remember what I was saying. So those of you guys remember that I used to sell cocoa vanilla as when I was doing Share Touch. It's the same thing. Get asked for it to be maybe like gloss because it's quite matte right now and I want it glossy. It smells so good. It smells like, I think it smells like cake. I think that's the best way to describe it. However, in the description, I didn't write that. But yeah, I've said it smells sweet, irresistibly soft and smooth because that's what it does. And a little goes a long way. Oh, there's a bit of a hair. That was probably me. It smells so good. It smells like cake. It smells like you want to eat it, but you can't eat it. Like, you know that Kim Kardashian meme where she goes, what does she say again? She says, you can't eat it, but you can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Like, I'm joking, but yeah. Guys, wish me luck that I launched this on my birthday. So I'm heading to B&Q because I want to get some backdrop to take some pictures. Basically, it's a self-adhesive vinyl paper. It's pink, that's why I want to use it. Got it. So now I'm on my way to Hobbycraft. So I'm sitting in my car and I've just left Hobbycraft. I don't know where to look in the camera. This way, that way. And this was the last one they had, so I just thought I should pick it up. They're actually have the stem on it, so I'm going to have to cut off that for the look I'm going for. I'm on my laptop and I am looking at tutorials on how to use Shopify to actually launch my website. So let me switch the screen and tell you guys what I've been watching to help. So the name of the video is called Best Shopify Tutorial, an ultimate step-by-step guide for beginners to set up your Shopify store by this channel here, Shopify Success. What I think I'm gonna do is skip to the bit where it says, yeah, settings on shipping, payments, markets, checkout. I think this is going to be the most difficult bit, so I might as well get started on that. Well, not difficult, but the bit that requires a little bit of brain work, because obviously I don't want to be pricing my products too low and then shipping hasn't been factored in, or I have to figure out how I'm going to include shipping. Is it going to be by weight? Is it going to be by you order? All of that. So I'm going to be doing that. And I have just placed my order for my labels. So I'm going to be getting them tomorrow afternoon. That's when they'll be ready. So I can't wait. And then I'll finally be able to do the pictures and all of that. I can't wait. Hey guys, so it's 12:17 a.m. I'm gonna go to sleep, but I've just been watching a tutorial on how to like customize your Shopify store using the same theme I'm using. So let me show you guys tutorial I've been watching because I found it really helpful. So
the Sense theme is...
Yeah, I'm using the Sense theme, and it's this tutorial by the channel called Casual E-commerce Shopify Sense theme customization Sense theme design tutorial. It's been really helpful. So let me show you guys how the website is looking so far. So this is the, just getting things ready, because yeah, I put that here because I'm not necessarily going to be there in the country for when I'm launching it, so I have to put that notice there. And obviously I'm still working on things, but I customize it to my label. This is the mobile view. I'm wondering if I can make it smaller, because that's not really that great that it looks like this, does it? Here's my little tagline. I'm not too sure about this. Self-care is healthcare, but we'll see how I go to it if I change my mind. These things I plan to fill out, and then this bit. So yeah, that's quite, it looks little, but it took a while. And I did the About Us page. And yeah, we're getting there. Hey guys, I'm just about to leave to get my labels. I'm so excited. I'm hoping that they come out nice and there's no issues. Yeah, wish me good luck. I got my labels, guys. Here they are. I'm so excited. I'm in love. Here's a setup of my product photography. Basically, I put my jars in an acrylic container, used blue tack to stick it down, and then filled it up with water. I also added the flowers from the other day, and then used a blow dryer to create an effect of waves. I also took videos of me rubbing the body butters, but as of now I haven't actually put this anywhere. I might put it on the website later, who knows. Anyways guys, I'm in love. It came out so pretty and I'm so proud of myself. Guys, it's my birthday today, and I am really excited because I've been working on something. Literally, I'm running on little sleep. I went to bed probably around 4 a.m. Woke up at 9 a.m. to finish off what I was doing. So yeah, I'm tired. I've been teasing it on social media about what I'm doing, so you guys may have an idea. Let's do a little drum roll. Anyways, guys, it's the body butter. So I've been working on the website, literally why I didn't sleep. A B-Day edition. So I've got cocoa vanilla, this is mine, ho-ho mango, and then I revamped the lavender. Link is in my bio. I am going to be shipping once I get back to the UK, so that would be like the 2nd of April, and I did put that on the website, so y'all don't come for me. Enjoy guys, I'm so happy. Don't wash my fingers though because I've got hair glue on it. Here is the cocoa vanilla, so just a little bit rubbing onto the skin. And this one, guys, smells really, really good. Smells like cake, smells like chocolate, smells like you want to eat it, but you can't. I was cheeky and put a little bit of ho-ho mango in there. So here's the ho-ho mango. This is like the orange one. But this one smells more citrusy. Same smooth texture. And literally, it just melts onto your skin. I haven't creamed myself, so this is a perfect demonstration. All natural ingredients, of course. Oh, it smells so good. Feel free to shop the link in my bio and get you some good body butter for your skin. So I've launched the website. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to God. Thank you guys so much as well for your orders. Guys, if you have dry skin, these body butters are for you. There's no filler ingredient, it's completely natural, and they smell so good. The reviews literally speak for itself, so visit it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.